Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about the matric and intermediate degree verification from board and then IBCC. We already discussed the university documents of bachelor and master and other degrees from HEC. We already discussed that process. You can watch that process. I will also add the description in link. In this video, we are going to discuss the matric and intermediate degrees verification process. So let's move to the laptop screen and start the process. So we are on the laptop screen now. First of all, we will open the browser and search here BISE Multan Attestation. You can search according to your board name. I am searching here just for the demo purpose. I selected the BISE Multan board, while you can select according to your board name. So after that, I will open this link and I will also add this link in the description, so students from the BISE Multan board can easily access the site from the description, and the other students from different boards can search according to your board. After that, we will put here the details and select the degree name for which we are applying the attestation, and I am first select here the matriculation, and then I will add the roll number here. And after putting the roll number, then we will put here the registration number. Don't worry about these details because you can easily see these details from your result card or degree and put here. After putting the registration number, then we will select the passing year, and you can also see the year on your mark sheet or result card and put according. After the selection of these detail, now click on proceed further. After that, put the postal address here. Then contact number, and after that select the purpose of attestation. Here you can see the options: IBCC Islamabad, IBCC Lahore, IBCC Bahawalpur, WES Canada, WES USA. If you are applying for the attestation and you wish to go for Canada or USA, then you have to select these two options, and if you want to go in the other rest of the world, then you can select for the IBCC. So here are the three options. Choose that option which is nearest to you. So in my case, I am selecting IBCC Bahawalpur because this is nearest to me, so I am selecting this. After that, you have to select the certificate of attestations, intermediate and matriculation. I am selecting here matriculation, and after that click on I am not robot, and when it is verified, then click on the proceed further. After that, we will download the form by clicking here, and it will be downloaded. So after downloading the form, we will go back and put the details of intermediate to generate for the intermediate form. After generating the intermediate form, just like the metric form, we will download that form also. So after downloading these two forms, let me now show you the requirements for the attestation, means which documents we have to send for the attestation. So these are the documents required for the attestation: 3 copies of your certificate or mark sheet, and 3 recent passport size pictures, and 1 copy of CNIC. After that, this is the challan, fee challan, and you have to pay the fee challan in the bank mentioned. After that, you have to deposit the slip along with your this application form and other documents. You also have to attach the receipt of this bank challan. So this is the fee. It is 4,000 per document attestation, and this amount total will be the 8,000 in the BISE Multan board for metric and intermediate attestation. After that, these are the general instructions written in Urdu. You can also read, and I will also discuss so that you can easily attest. These are the about the required documents. We already discussed. Now let me also discuss again. These are the 3 copies of good quality photocopies of metric and intermediate results card. It means you have to submit 6 photocopies, 3 metric and 3 intermediate mark sheet or degree. In case of BISE Multan, degree and mark sheet both are on the same page, while in the other boards, some boards have degree in separate page while the mark sheet in separate page. So in that case, you have to follow the instructions of your relevant board, while in case of BISE Multan, you have to follow these instructions. So you have to put the 6 photocopies, 3 metric and 3 intermediate of your degree or mark sheet. After that, you have to put you have to paste 1 ID card photocopy, and 3 picture size per metric, and 3 picture size for the metric intermediate or FSC. So collectively you have to submit the 6 passport size photograph, and these are the requirements. So after that, moving down, so these are some general instructions you can also read. After that, this is important note. So this was the process, same like for the physical attestation, or if you want to attest through courier or TCS. So till that step the process was same, but after that, when you have download the form and attach the required documents which we discussed earlier, so now you can go physically to board and submit your documents. And if you want to attest through courier or TCS, then you have to submit your documents through TCS office or through any other courier. You have to submit these documents on this address. So this is the address. So you have to submit your documents on this address. So if you want to get attestation of documents urgently, then you have to visit board office physically. But if you have some time, then I will suggest you to go for the courier office or TCS, because this process will save your money, and this is also more easier method than the physical one. So you have to choose which method is more suitable for you. So this was all about the attestation process of metric and intermediate documents from your relevant board. After the attestation from your relevant board, then in the next video we will discuss about the IBCC process. So till that, I will suggest you to go for this attestation process as soon as possible, so that we can in the next video follow the IBCC process. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you still have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Feel free to ask any questions. I will answer your all queries there. You can share this video with your friends and family circle so that they can also take benefit from this video. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.